Our world. Meaningful connection and purpose are the two of our most important needs in order to feel happy, safe, and fulfilled. If we are lacking in those areas of our life, we will struggle with feeling anxious, insecure, uncertain, and afraid, which can lead to isolation and depression. As much as we try to fight it and make ourselves believe that we don't care what people think of us, it's still going to be true that we do, and we still need to understand what that means for us and find a way to create meaningful connection and purpose in your life if we want to thrive and not just survive. The more that you feel that you matter, the greater that you feel your worth is, and the more that you value yourself, the more deserving you feel and that you are of being loved and cared for in return. If you feel worthy of being happy, then you will be drawn to others that care about you and your happiness, and that includes the kind of person that you are attracted to in a romantic partner. When you find your passion in life, you will want to share it with others, and through sharing your passion and what matters to you, you will find meaningful and lasting connection. It's all about the love. By Joel Clemons. Guys, can you guess where is Ama this time and what is the latest about her? Just hello Ama, as Anna will join the cast of Pierce Samilosk and talk about the acting challenge in the beloved series of Polsat viewers, as she is at Hello to Polsat. Is joining the First Love cast. We can't wait for it to air worldwide, as Anna will play Elisa Olselska, as to her a new chapter. At Hello to Polsat, where she announced she will play a part in the series First Samilosk. As in here, they all send smiles and laughter for all. On this story of Anna, she said, "My serial daughter is acting amazing. Oh, 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 how amazing. She is a mother here. Wow, fantastic. A new look of Anna. Blondie hair color blend on her aura. She emphasized her sophistication. Take a look on this magnificent view on how picturesque it was."
A mowa oczywiście o Krakowie.
This is on how Anna described the place as to centuries and ages by ages had passed but still maintain the beauty and meaning of the landmark.
No dzień dobry drodzy. Z Warszawy przeniosłam się do jednego z najukochańszych miejsc dla mnie w Polsce. No niestety się rozmazuje, ale po tym to poznacie. Po tym to poznacie. No może i dobrze, że się rozmazuje. Będzie zagadkę, gdzie jestem. Wow, dobrze tu wrócić. Bardzo dobrze tu wrócić. A dlaczego tu jestem, dowiecie się niebawem. Bardzo się cieszę. Bardzo, bo realizuję tutaj jeden z takich bardzo ważnych projektów w moim życiu, który chciałam zrealizować od lat. I w odpowiednim momencie spotkałam odpowiednich ludzi. I go with the flow.
As Anna discussed about on how she arrived at the place.
Hello, beautiful people. You know that I'm going from Krakow to Warsaw, and this is the first time since ages that I'm taking the train. Because since I have driving license, I have my own car. I deeply wanted to be independent when I was going somewhere. So every time by car or by plane, and I can feel and notice that right now in my life there are a lot of kind of circles, some situations coming back to me, and this is very good. Can you deeply feel it? And you know that I'm kind of energetically freak, and I'm very aware of signs, and I can't wait what's gonna happen. Tell me how I.
Morning with Ama, as she captioned it with, do you also feel that we are always giving the course of history? We decide what happened will happen in our lives. I am sure of this. I understood that there is no one to blame for failures and no one else responsible for success. I am the one behind this, behind every consequences of your decision, as long as I recognize myself for who I am, understand my emotions, scams, and work through what no longer serve me, I will attract everything that is meant for me. To this particular moment in my life, I know that my path is not random. I have learned to trust myself first for all, and I'm looking forward to further experiences. And you? What is your story? As Anna said, this is exactly when it happened. Hi there! Have you noticed that if you really desire something, it just happened? Do you know why? Because the whole you are this desire. You are simply attracting it. Can you? Yes, you can. Remember that it is always you who decide what is happening in your life. P.S. On Anna's story today, I was accompanied by the song Useless from the Transparent and Vulnerable album at Carolina, Lesko, and Leslie at Dancing with the Stars, where she masterly sang Irina Santor's song You Will Come Back, to our worlds from Michelle, which nota bene will always stay in my heart. As to Anna, Carolina, I think that album finally deserved huge recognition, and I'd be like, what's this? That this hasn't happened yet. For Anna, and the combination of Carolina and Basha is an absolute dimension of depth of sensitivity, sisterhood, support, and femininity. Basha, great chapeau bas. Your ability to whisper words and create such beautiful morning texts is amazing. And now I'm asking you very much. I'm appealing to you, buy an album, support such a great creator. It's workout time. This is Romanian single leg deadlift as Anna beloved exercise.
Ale super.
Przed chwilą pokazałam Amie to ćwiczenie, a ona na to: o mój Boże, kocham to!
Oh yeah? What is this coming soon of yours, Simone? Wow! I wish this new film of Simone can be watched worldwide. I want to watch it and curious of it at the same time on how is his acting skills now. Yeah, in this new film of yours, Michele, it seems like, is there a fantasy in it? Good and good, Michele, on how you take a break from work and regain your energy. The salty wind and the sound of the waves of the sea is so relaxing. This time, can you guess where will Michele going? Riding in a plane or in a train? Michele is now attending a funeral of his dear friend Pietro Genuardi, who died at the young age of 62. That if you all guys recall your memory, he's the guy Michele talking about on his last story, wherein he wrote a touching message for him. Can you all guys guess now where is Michele? As the scenery was, he is in Florence, Italy train station.
Okay, I will be going this way.
Being a father is a no joke. It's so hard and a tough job cause of a lifetime responsibility, but that is the most precious job, the feeling that cannot be explained on what is the emotions you will felt being a father, especially like you, Michele, having a kids like Marcus and Brando. You cannot ask for more. Enjoy every moment with them. Happy Father's Day, Michele! Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button. Share this video to others and please subscribe on my channel. Day 78 of the 365 days of 2025. A message to all. The person who loves you the most will make you cry yourself to sleep. They will hold you in their arms during a bad day, run their fingers through your hair, whisper sweet nothings to you, tell you how everything is going to be okay. They will bring you tea to soothe your hoarse throat, retch from all these tears and let you hide away in their arms for as long as you need. The person who loves you most will not make you feel inadequate. They will spend time telling you how you are enough, not just for them, but as you are for yourself and the world. They will not gaze at other people in want and desire when you are by their side, because they will respect you and your needs. The person who loves you the most will allow you time to fix yourself, all the while standing by your side, allowing the wind and the rain and the storm inside you to subside so they can help with the aftermath. The person who loves you most will not unleash their temper on you unwanted and just expect you to forgive them. They will meet mistakes with a genuine apology and look in you in the eye and make their amends. The person who loves you most will love you most simply because they see that you are already everything. With them, without them, never having met them, you are complete. And the person who loves you most will see that and love you for belonging to yourself. By Nikita Hill and Joel Clemons.